It's been a while since I uploaded my last video to this channel. A lot of things were going on, some of it in my life, but most of it right here. I had a lot of thoughts about what I really enjoy doing and also where I want to go with this YouTube channel. However, I'm feeling fresh and that's a lie. Hold on. I'm feeling fresh and I'm so motivated to produce more content for you, but also with you guys. So, let me explain. I always really liked to create things. What I liked even more though is to inspire people with the things I create. Telling people to make the best out of their life. Sometimes it seems like I have a crazy life. I mean, I traveled to 32 countries on 4 continents. I flipped over a Lamborghini, built a water slide at the Ape Academy, made quite a big selfie stick, set up a ridiculous rope swing on an abandoned crane in Santorini, and so on. Well, yeah, okay, fact is, I've done a lot of things. But I'm not telling you this to show off or to make you jealous. Not at all, actually. No, niente, no. I just want to show you that life is what you make it. You are the only person who decides what life you will live. So stop comparing you with people who might have what you don't. The measure of who we are is what we do with what we have. Having a good life simply starts with enjoying the small things. Wow! But what's going on now? About a year ago I decided to leave Switzerland and I moved to Austria. Now I live in an apartment with 3 other guys that inspire me since the first day I've met them. An environment that constantly pushes me to create new and creative things. And this how I all of a sudden found another passion, which is creating videos like this. If you have been following this channel for a couple years, you probably know that I always really enjoyed making travel videos. I always really enjoyed sharing those memories I had on my adventures. And somehow over the last 2 or 3 years I stopped making them. And I feel like that my expectations got too high and I was just not satisfied anymore. But now, since 2 years, I've been working on the X-Cover project, which is a travel concept that I created with some friends to inspire people to travel differently. And for the X-Cover project, I recently have been creating a lot of content, and that really made me remember how much I missed making videos. So now, for this year, 2019, wow, 2019 sounds weird. But yeah, for this year you can definitely expect more videos. I set myself the goal to make 1 YouTube video a month for the X-Cover project. And we also set up a newsletter, an X-Cover newsletter, where we share travel advice, thoughts, and just keep you up to date with the latest projects. So if you're interested, I put some links in the description and go and subscribe to the newsletter. In the beginning of this video I said that I want to produce content with you guys, which means I want to have you included in making the decisions of where I travel next. Is there any place that you recommend that I should go to, or is there just any other stories that you would like to share with me? I'm always looking for new adventures and people to collaborate with. So yeah, that was it for now. That was a lot of talking. I hope you still stick around till the end. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the new year, 2019. Yeah, let's do it.